So we're on to downloader codes and more downloader codes. You may be wondering why I'm on this channel, but my other channel currently is in the naughty book with certain platforms. So we're doing a couple on the Chris Squiffy channel. Yes, I'm Doc Squiffy, and we're going to go through the top 3 downloader codes we have available for us. So we're going to go through them and let me know what you think of them as well. So before we get started, if you're into your streaming, no matter what streaming device you are using, make sure you hit that follow button. Make sure you can let me know underneath if you know any good downloader codes as well. And we're going to get right into it. So first of all, you're going to need Downloader, okay? Downloader is an app. It is just like a web browser, but it works on your streaming, your TV device. So what you're going to do is search your app store, whichever device you're on. I'm demonstrating on a Firestick, but if you're on an Android device, just go to your app store and search Downloader. Click it, get it installed, okay? Once it's installed, you open it. I'm going to assume a lot of you have used Downloader over the years. Why wouldn't you have done? What we're going to do afterwards, I'll do a little bit of setup once we've done the 3 downloader codes and a little bit of troubleshooting if you have it. So you open up Downloader. When you open up Downloader, make sure, first of all, you accept any permissions which pop up. Then at the top, we're going to enter our first downloader code. This downloader code is my downloader code, 75726. Simple as that. Click next, and that will load it. The 3 downloader codes we are focusing on today have none or minimal adverts, no pins, no pop-ups, no pop-up adverts, anything like that. No pins to enter, just free to use and simple. So this will go to my website, and you simply click on app downloads, and it's been updated even more today, and we have tons in here. I'm not going to scroll down from here again because some places you can get your apps, some you can't. I might just go to a couple of things we can pop to. You can either click a selection, or you can just scroll down through all of them, okay? Simple as that. But do make sure you check the licensing in your country for what apps you're allowed to use and what you're not allowed to use. For example, you could just change to launchers, and we just got some TV launchers in there. It's very easy to use. You could change to VPN. There's some VPNs in there. You could go to, obviously you've got streaming in your players. Some things we can click on media players. Quite a lot in there for you. More are under sort of your IPTV players, or we seem to have 2 media players, which I'll fix before you do this video. And you have even more in there, okay? Tons. All in there for you to use. And again, all free. You just select one you want to do. So for example, if we clicked on, let's go to utilities, what's in here? There we go. So you could click on one, just click on get. You'll get a pop-up. It will tell you if you've got a VPN or not. You should be using a VPN if you're online and downloading. Scan it. If you don't, to get one, but you don't have to download. You just click confirm download. That download will continue and that will go through. Brilliant. Okay. That's all. I don't need to install it. Right, we're going to go back and we're going to do our next downloader code now, okay? The next downloader code is one where Tech Doctor UK, many of you may know him. He's just launched a brand new website and his download page is awesome. So his new website downloader number here for you as well. And that number is 53402. So again, we type in 53402. Click next, and that will load through to his page. That one will load through, so you can use either of these, both again, no ads, no pop-ups. There we go. Good layout. This is his home page. You can scroll down. On his one, you want to click on Get Tools, and it's here. Big disclaimer. Read yourself through that. You should always check out the disclaimers on it. It's got a request section at the top, downloads, and I'm not going to go any further than that. And again, check that one out. Another great page, another great downloader number, okay? So, very simple. Click on the apps, download them again. And finally, this one is a little bit different, okay? You've had 2 websites. This one is another website, but it's actually more of a search. So you type in 420, if I can remember it, 7212, and you don't see this one very often. 4207212. Let that one load through. And what this one is an It's an app loader, it's called, or apploader.com, kind of without the E. And what you do, you type in the app you're looking for, and it will search the internet for it. So it's slightly different. Very cool layout. It has a few, it shows what's been popularly searched, but you could type in here, it doesn't know what you're looking for. So if you were to type in, let's type in MX Player. And you then click next, and that will find you all the MX players, and it'll tell you the source of it as well. Lots from Aptoid, APK Home, different places, and then you acquire the APK, free one again, and that will start your download for you. Pretty cool little site. That's the good thing about that one is it's more of a search, but you need to know what you're looking for on that one, rather than the others where you can just go through because you know what you're browsing. This one is more of a search, which I don't think gets enough attention because actually it's really cool. So multi-source APK search that learns, every search expands the catalog. Great website. So that was the final one, and that code again was, let me remember, 4207212. Perfect. So that's your free codes. 75726, 53402, and 4207212. They're all the free codes. Now, quickly for anybody who hasn't used Downloader before, if yours didn't work, you need to make sure you've turned on unknown sources and install from unknown sources. So, go to settings, go to My Fire TV, and you need to go to developer options. If you do not have developer options, click where it says about, and click the top one 7 times, and that makes you a developer, okay? Then when you go back a screen, you will have these developer options. You click on that, and you install unknown apps, and you can turn it on for Downloader on, okay? And then that will allow you to download and install on your device. Brilliant. Hopefully that was a good one for you. Hopefully it was fairly straightforward. It's as simple as install the Downloader app, enter the codes, enjoy. Make sure you check the licensing laws and everything like that. This is just an educational video, so it's down to you for your different locations, because we broadcast worldwide. We can't be correct for everywhere and different licensing laws. So this video is for educational purposes only. It's down to you to check on that aspect, but hopefully you like that one. Hopefully you'll hit that follow button, and we'll see you on the next one.